Welcome back mga ka-shots fired. Kagaya ng sinabi namin ni paring Erwin kanina, may mga special guest tayo. We have Kyle De Leon and Lawrence Tan, Director of Membership Benefits ng JCI. Mga brothers, bakit tayo andito today?
So we're here to invite people for the electric night run. So pag-uusapan namin yan today.
Runner ka, bro.
Halata ba?
Naman sa katawan. Na-runners kami.
Kyle, Lawrence, ano ba? Daming, di ba, runs throughout the years now. What makes this different from the others?
Actually, yung run kasi nitong GCI Electric Night Run, this is sa gabi gagawin. So usually umaga, 'di ba?
Ayos 'yun.
Oo, tapos ito pare, parang hindi siya seryosong competitive. I mean, if you want to be competitive, it's up to you.
Very competitive. Naman, ganun naman competitive.
Pero ang talagang goal namin is for people to have fun. No, parang it's a fun run talaga. Party vibe. Yan. Oo.
So ano bang i-expect natin dun sa, you're saying fun. Ano ba i-expect natin dun sa fun, dun sa run mismo? Are there other things na pwede lang gawin aside sa fun run?
So alam natin, mainit yung panahon ngayon, di ba? Parang bakit ako tatakbo sa umaga? So itong sa gabi, pag isip natin gabi, di ba? Para isip natin, ito yung time para kumimik at uminom.
Ako, hindi tayo ganyan. Wholesome kami. Napaka-wholesome namin dito.
Pero hindi na promote namin. So ang gusto namin gawin is, pwede pa rin kayo lumabas sa gabi and have a fun time doing healthy things. So sa Electric Night Run, you will expect mga music and lights mo. So may mga hinanda na iba-ibang ilaw at iba-ibang klaseng music while you are running. So imagine mo, tumatakbo ka with 6,000 other people, tapos lahat kayo may parang LED
nice.
light na shades.
Oh, wow!
And may ilaw-ilaw siya.
Bagay sa atin yan.
And then yun, at the end of the run, pagkatapos mo magko-congregate kayo lahat, and then dun magkakaroon ng party and music.
Diyan, mahilig tayo sa party. Guys, mukhang very fit kayo. No? Curious lang. Napag-usapan na natin kanina. Ano ba yung distance na tinatakbo yung dalawa? Hindi na ako na magmamalinis eh. Nasa magbandang 5 lang siguro ako. Ikaw.
So, actually, sabi nga ni Derek Lawrence, iba-ibang klaseng distances meron kami. Meron kaming 1K, 3K, 5K, 10K. So, yung 1K, 3K, pwede mo nga lakarin yun. Walang problema eh. Ako mismo, I am going for 10K.
Challenge lang. So, speaking of this run, mga ka-shots fired, so, Kyle, Lawrence, paano ba nagsimula to? O sino ba nagsimula to? Sino ba nakaisip na tong fun run na to?
Actually, definitely hindi ako. Nagsimula to.
Masyadong honest yung bisita natin. Thank you.
Kasi ang takbong ginagawa ko, tinatakbo ko lang asawa ko pag nagagalit sa akin. All kidding aside. This started in 2017. Actually, in 2017, it was called Run for the Mountains pa nga because ang beneficiary niya is indigenous people.
Okay.
And then, after that, it was dalawang Run for the Mountains ata yun 2017 and 2020. Parang ganon, no? So, indigenous people. And then, last year, ang beneficiary was schools. So parang
nice.
This is really a fundraising event for these beneficiaries, and we felt na sa lahat ng fundraising event, runs talaga, ang fun run talaga ang parang pinakamalaking kayang ibigay pabalik sa mga beneficiaries. Yeah. So yun ang origins nito. Yeah.
So speaking of beneficiaries, this year sino bang beneficiary natin?
This year ang beneficiary natin is Hospicio de San Jose.
Okay.
If you're familiar with Hospicio de San Jose or you're not familiar with Hospicio, actually it started as an orphanage, tas naging home for the elderly.
Tama.
Now pati sa mga
madalas tayong mag-outreach yan nung high school tayo.
Kaya mga victims of abuse, lahat na pag pumunta ka doon parang matatouch ka na yung konting may tutulong mo sa kanila would go a long way for them. Ang ganun. Yeah.
Exciting, no? Maganda talaga pag may mga advocacy sa ganyan. Sinusuportahan talaga ng shots fired ng TNC yung mga ganyang advocacies, no? So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Invite yung mga nanonood natin ng shots fired sa event na.
So again, we'd like to invite lahat na nanonood to JCI Manila's Electric Night Run for Hope on May 18. So sa May 18, that's a Saturday, night run po siya. 9 p.m. yung gun start. So simula ng run and it ends around midnight. If you want to register and buy tickets, pwede po pa kayo bumili ng tickets. Just go to www.jcimanila.org/events. Direct?
Yeah, hope to see you there. Did we say na yung location nung
takbuhin namin mula doon. Takbuhin natin yung location natin.
So it's gonna happen in the south sa Alabang Events Ground. So
Philinvest Events Ground.
Philinvest Events Ground. So doon tayo.
Baka magkaligawan tayong dalawa doon.
But anyway, thank you so much. Sirs, salamat sa pagpunta nyo. Again, very exciting activity. Saktong-sakto pang pamilya talaga. Lasting pamilya. Maraming salamat mga ka-shots fired. I'll see you guys on May 18th with these guys, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.